This is the first time we've ever looked at this item on video, and this is Nepenthes lavicola. Nepenthes lavicola, it's supposedly an extreme highland species, typically grows over 2,000 meters altitude, which is around about 6,000 plus feet. And we have it here in what we would call intermediate highland conditions. The temperatures in here don't go above maybe in Celsius 25 to 28 degrees in the daytime, dropping down at night typically around about 13 degrees Celsius. Sorry, can't give it in Fahrenheit off the top of my head, but you can look that up at night. So what we would call intermediate highland. We grow a lot of things in these temperatures, including Velosa. And this one, this lavicola, is surprising us. It's really quite vigorous. Leaves are nice and hard. Pitches variable. There's a lot of different clones in this mix. That's probably one of the larger pitchers. Moving over here, there's a darker pitcher in there. So these would be small to medium-sized plants. We don't have any large plants to show you just yet. Unfortunately, we'll keep a few of these as specimens to grow on, randomly selected, and see what comes out of them. But from what we can tell, looking at the pictures, this appears to be true. So, Nepenthes lavicola, a new addition to our range.